Hello, Taft families. The purpose of this video is to help you understand how your student navigates Google Classroom throughout their school day. The first thing you'll want to know is how your student accesses Google Classroom. When they open a new tab in Google Chrome, they simply click on the grid in the top right corner of the screen. Then, they select the Classroom icon. Once here, we call this the Google Classroom dashboard. We'll get back to the dashboard in a moment, but before we do, we'll take a look at what a classroom might look like. For this example, we'll look at math. When a student clicks on the name of the class, they'll be taken to that classroom landing page. Here, they'll see the name of the math class, the Google Meet link, and how to navigate through the classroom. Underneath the Stream tab, they'll see any upcoming assignments that are due. They'll also notice any announcements, material, or assignments that the teacher posts. When they select the Classwork tab, they'll see topics that the teacher has created. Each of these topics is also represented in the middle of the screen in bold. You'll notice that underneath each topic, teachers will post either material or classwork. Material is indicated using a bookmark icon, and classwork is indicated, or assignments are indicated using a clipboard icon. For your student to know what is due, they simply click on the name of the assignment, and then they click View Assignment. Once here, they will see any instructions the teacher has provided, as well as any links to help them understand the assignment, as well as the assignment itself. In addition to all of the assignments or material the teacher posts, underneath the Classwork tab, you'll notice a View Your Work link. A student can click on this View Your Work to see any upcoming assignments that are due. You'll also notice the student can click on the Meet link for that Google Classroom. They can select their Google Calendar, which we'll look at in just a moment, and their Class Drive folder. Their Class Drive folder will hold any material that they save or work on for that class. Going back to the Google Classroom dashboard, this will be an important piece for you and your student to work on together. The reason that it's important is for these two links right here. The first is the calendar. If your student is confused about when an assignment is due, they simply can click on this calendar link and see any upcoming assignments for any of their classes. For example, if I want to see an assignment that's due on Friday, I can simply look at Friday, October 2nd and see the details of that assignment, as well as click right to that assignment for that classroom. The second piece that's important is your student's to-do list. When your student clicks on this, they will see all assignments each of their teachers has posted for their classrooms. They might see ones with no due dates. They'll see any that are due this week, any that are due next week, as well as any that are due in future dates. They can also click on the Missing tab to see if any of their assignments that they did not complete are still due. This is a great way for you to stay up to date on what your student is learning while at Taft Middle School. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.